So I started at Mindcore May 10th-ish, 2016. So Mindcore is a family, foremost complete family. We are loyal to each other and we want to help each other get faster solutions. We are a client-first approach to every facet of the business. We care about you more than we care about ourselves at certain points. We want every solution to be deployed as fast as possible, as agile as possible, and to solve your issues. That is the most important part to our business, and that's what we care about the most. So for the most part, the breaches happen on, state-sponsored terror groups, essentially. Not even terror, but cyber terror. It happens across the board right now. Iran is opening up a new case where they're trying to send out more attacks to clients and any kind of company and kind of hold them ransom. And, you could be spending $500,000 to get your data back, upwards of. There's like ransomware attacks that happen all the time, breaches. We help a client by integrating separate technologies, providing them, proper guidance to what they truly need in their tech environment, whether it be switches, networking, cloud servers, any kind of compute, and even workstations or laptops. That you have to protect the client first and foremost. And it's about building a healthy working relationship. So you want to treat your customers like their family. You want to treat them like, invite them over for a Sunday dinner. You want them to be integrated with your life, because truly they are. If you are the service provider to a client, they are they're deeply ingrained into your life. It's a day-to-day thing. Mindcore is different because we have a different mindset. We are client first. We don't care about anything else but making sure the customers are satisfied. We want the solutions to be the best that we can provide. We want the tech work to be pristine. We want the client to be satisfied.